All my friend, welcome to my channel. This is Windows type air conditioner. This AC not giving cool. In this video, we'll learn how do we can repair or clean at home. Please watch video until end, and if you like, comment and subscribe please. The first we need to disconnect power for our safety. Then we need to open cover and front cover and filter. Then we need to pull out this AC for cleaning and repairing. I already bring washing area. Now I am going to clean condenser and evaporator. Please watch video until end. How do we can clean at home? If condenser and evaporator have more dust, that time also AC not giving cool. That's why now I am going to clean. This is the AC condenser. Now I am going to clean. We need to clean this condenser. Sometimes this condenser catching more dust particle. That time air block. That time this AC not giving cool. Every 6 months or every year we need to remove and clean. Now I am going to open condenser top cover. This cover for safety. I put some water. You can check the dust in floor. This top cover, condenser top cover have 6 screw. We need to open this screw with star screwdriver. I already opened the screw. Now I am going to remove this top cover. This is the condenser interior. Now I am going to clean this. This is the fan blade. This AC take too much dust. You can check the floor. We need to clean. Same like video. If you are new viewer, please like, comment and subscribe the channel for other technical video. If you subscribe the channel, next time when I upload the video, that time you can watch easily. Now I am going to open evaporator cover. Evaporator top cover. Then I will clean. This evaporator top cover also have 6 screw. This screw also we need to open with a star screwdriver. Same like video. This is the screw. I open screw. Now I am going to remove cover. This is the top cover. This is the front view. Now I am going to clean it. If we clean this evaporator and condenser, compressor not going heat, then AC giving cool. We need to clean front side or back side evaporator and condenser, same like video. Same you can clean at home. Now I am going to reinstall evaporator top cover. Then condenser top cover. Now I'll tight the screw whatever before I open. Now I am going to reinstall this AC and reconnect the power. Now I am going to test this AC. This AC giving cool or not. Now this AC giving cold.